All right, David, get out. We need to start our day.
I want it.
What the?
So what do you want for breakfast? I have some goodies. Some Quest bars, another cookie, s'mores. Oh, that one's still alive. A cheesecake, another cookies and cream. And then we got the Indomie. That's all we got. Actually, we have more, but.
What about this dried pineapple?
When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore.
Feel the poopies coming on. The 930s. So we have a thing called 930s. We talk about this every time we go camping. It's the time you go out and, you know, trade some stocks. Sell. Hopefully no buying.
Engage in some healthy negotiation.
You want them to be smooth.
Regularly.
Hashtag Call of the Wild.
Ew, David!
Hell David. If you want to eat a Quest bar in the morning, it's usually hard from the night before, so you have to dunk it in the coffee and soften it up a little bit. This was pioneered by myself, the Quest bar connoisseur.
He didn't even know what a Quest bar was before he met me.
She didn't know what chicken noodle soup was, or Indomie.
I did know what chicken noodle soup is.
Not Campbell's, the Kroger kind.
Indomie, I'll give you that one.
Yes.
What about ramen?
What is that?
We are on the Mist Falls Trail, heading up to Vernal Falls, then to Nevada Falls.
How long is this hike?
It's like 6.8 miles round trip.
Ooh, I'm gonna dessert that Indomie.
Oh yeah. This is only the first one of the day, so taste yourself. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, where are we?
So we're at Nevada Falls.
Not
Niagara Falls.
The biggest waterfall on the west coast of East Coast.
Known for their grizzly bears that catch salmon.
Oftentimes you'll see grizzly bears jump over the falls in hopes of catching salmon.
Right down. Niagara Falls.
Here we are, made it to the top. Finally got here. So welcome.
Where are we?
How do you feel about the hike?
Well, I thought the first part was grueling. My heart was gonna come out of my chest.
Pray for Becca.
But the top is so nice. It's like a little beach on top of a mountain. That is called facts.
Hashtag facts.
No cap.
Hashtag straight up.
Bet.
I can't how do I do yeah! One take. So where are we right now?
We are at the top of the mountain still. There's a waterfall right next to us.
Very nice, very beautiful.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've ever been to the Grand Canyon. I can't believe it. It's so gorgeous.
Look at all of these shades of gray, which is what the Grand Canyon is known for.
Yeah, against popular misconception, this is the grandest of canyons.
When you hike up a canyon, it's called spelunking.
SPLYUKNGNYN1 2.
The 1 and 2 are silent.
The one nice thing about having to rush down the mountain at night is that you get golden hour at places where you normally wouldn't.
Yo, I'm straight up having a good time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. Oh yeah.
Looking forward all day to this.
Some Indomie, a fried egg. So
I definitely like this better than shin ramen.
oh yeah. It has more complex flavor, I feel.
Uh-huh. Shin ramen's just like spice.
Oh my god.
You okay?
You okay? Not a competition, Rebecca. Okay.
That was not me trying to compete with you. It just happened at the same time.
Woke up at 6 and the trees were already super bright, super lit up. It's beautiful.
Alright, we're gonna try to get our day started and then do some hiking. Here we go. Oh, I put him on. It's business time.
Exactly what I sound like.
My name's Rebecca. San Jose is where I'm from. While living's fun, being tough is hard.
No, you stole mine.
Oh no, that was not right.
No, it was. My name is David, and where I'm from, we have a saying. It's tough being tough.
Okay, we are hiking up to Mount Rushmore, and hopefully we'll get to see the 4 presidents and the 1 founding father and 2 Statue of Liberties. It's gonna be a long, hot hike, but this is one of the prettier ones, I think, in my opinion. It's just you have to do a lot of work. It is top of Yosemite Falls, 6.83.
Apparently, it's around 2,500 feet in elevation, and it's the highest hike in Yosemite.
All right, we'll see you when we start going up. It's pretty damn steep, not gonna lie.
Just dying a little bit less.
You can see our descent into madness.
One does not simply walk straight into mortar.
You use walking sticks.
Nice. I've seen their dried pineapple. And,
Yeah.
It tastes like a mango.
I don't like it.
We have a gibbous of a mile left. Might as well be 40 miles, honestly. 70 points. Made it.
Made it. Welcome to Mount Rushmore.
way back.
We just finished the Mount Rushmore hike and now we're heading back.
We took a picture with all 6 of the president heads.
Yeah, Yosemite's pretty beautiful. I remember seeing a lot of photos of it on Reddit and on everywhere. I'm like, that's really pretty, but it can't be that pretty. I'm sure they did photo edit. No, the photos do not do it justice. It's a lot prettier. All right, we're gonna hike back down now. We have a long drive ahead of us. We're coming for you, Remy. Don't worry, we'll be back.
Mom and Dad are coming.
All right, see you guys.
We should just end with a video of Remy. Oh my gosh, what is this? Hello. Yeah, I know. Hi, Remy. I know. Oh my god, we're got her belly again.
Say that again to the people.
We're gonna be eating Indomie.